Did you know that not all divorces require a court hearing? However, when disputes arise over custody or support, a hearing becomes essential. Understanding when a hearing is necessary can save you time and stress. In contested divorces, hearings are crucial to resolve disagreements. Whether it's about child custody or temporary orders, knowing when to consult a court clerk or professional can guide you effectively. Filing the correct forms is your first step. The request for order, FL 300, is vital for addressing issues like custody or support. Ensure your forms are accurate to avoid unnecessary delays. Once your forms are ready, submit them to the court and pay any fees. Remember, incorrect filings can postpone your hearing date, so double-check everything before submission. Serving your spouse with the request for order is mandatory. Choose between personal service or service by mail, ensuring they receive all documents. File proof of service to confirm delivery. A client once waited months for a hearing due to a missing proof of service. Once corrected, they secured a court date swiftly. Proper service is key to moving forward. Preparation is crucial. Review local court rules, gather necessary documents, and arrive early. Being organized ensures you're ready to present your case effectively. By following these steps, you'll navigate the divorce process smoothly. Visit Divorce661.com for expert assistance and ensure your hearing is scheduled without delays. Let's get started today.